Today is Saturday, June the 29th, and guess where I'm at? I'm in H-Town, Houston, Texas. Don't play with it. So y'all, I'm in Texas, and we're up here for my little birthday. We arrived yesterday, and I recorded coming up here yesterday, but I lost all my footage. I tried to recover it, and buy stuff to recover it, it didn't work. So I just gave up. We didn't do nothing yesterday, so that's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready. Everybody else is ready. And I've been slumped because I couldn't get my stuff back. So we're gonna go get ready for the truck show. I don't know what's today's agenda. We're supposed to go take a photo shoot for my little brother's birthday. It's a trail ride theme, so we're supposed to go to the barn. And tomorrow we're supposed to go to the beach. I'm gonna give it back to y'all later. So bye. Okay guys, I got ready. This the fit. The shoes coordinate. I just took some pictures, family pictures. I'm gonna put the pictures like right there on the side. We're gonna get ready to go. I don't think we're going to the truck show no more. We too late. It is 3:16. It lasts till 5. Jay sleep. There go Trinity. Alright y'all. So yeah. We're finna get ready to go. Look at the hair. Come on now. So yeah, we're gonna go. I gotta get my thing. I got my lights. And yeah.
What you want to get?
No. Now for we're in the truck thingy thing.
Yeah, they coming down here, they right. Yeah, they be alright.
And we gotta vote for our favorite trucker.
Oh, this one I'm gonna go right here.
Look at him.
When I vote right here.
Even my grandma got a little lanyard thing. So yeah. It's a Walmart truck.
I don't work for that one.
Ooh, look at that one. Against the light. So you never mind. I'm finna eat my pizza.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat too.
You want pizza again? I just
get banned being in my YouTube video. You gonna get banned. You know that, right?
1-800. Damn, this one.
This piece of big. I would say bigger than my head, but
Yeah, ain't nothing bigger than your head.
I know you ain't talking. That's a melon. That's a melon. That's not even a head. Okay, here we go. Bro,
Your big ass.
Get that Parmesan cheese. Anyways, I'm gonna cut the video now because JJ is talking about dumb stuff. What is you doing? What is my camera going? Oh man, yikes. I'm gonna put the little scary. Look at her. Ooh, who you look like with your hair like that?
May you give me some water?
Who has that hair like that? This is Lucy. Okay, anyways.
She would look like.
Right, some booty cheeks.
It's gonna make.
Hey, y'all see JJ twerking? Okay, this most definitely going in the vlog.
Yeah.
So,
Stop playing with me, bro.
where's JJ
Stop
room?
playing with me, bro.
Where's JJ room?
Right. It's gonna make it.
We finna do face.
It's gonna make it worse.
Him shake and do.
No.
I'm finna use your phone, Trinity, for a flashlight, because I'm finna make a TikTok.
It's gonna make it worse because it smells already. And then the fan is on. It's gonna spread everywhere.
My bad.
Yeah, it smells like a can of bounce stick.
Okay, right here. It's a heel.
Ooh, that good. It's to die for. Die.
Girl.
Okay, I'm finna make a TikTok. Y'all finna watch me make a TikTok real quick.
I got my son cut that black on the side of me.
You talking about that bell?
Yeah, cut it.
Like that.
Bro, be quiet, bro, before you really. Bro, pit him up. Pit him up.
Okay, we got DIY because my camera, my light dead, so.
That's something else.
Man, this don't hit like the ring
She
light.
told you to shut the fuck up. That's
Ooh.
what she did.
Shut your bitch.
Trinity, did you just cuss?
No. Yeah, no.
Turn the light off. Why she disappeared?
Oop. JJ, don't do her.
Mine is so ABC.
Man, this stuff finna make me so mad because why I keep going dead?
Dad, I'll sleep it.
Hit me then, cause you talking all that on the phone talking about you gonna slap me. Slap me.
See, every time I try to make it, it die.
Right.
Cause
Okay.
they don't like you.
Give me 2 phones.
You stay. Girl, you stay.
JJ, you get on this side. Trinity, you get on this side. Hold it like that. Alright, now get on this side.
Hey, wait, look.
Yeah. Get on this side. This was like he look. So get back to y'all when we put the face mask on because we listen to music. Oh my. Okay. We finna do the face mask. Keep mine.
How you know that's yours?
Start with clean skin. Clean because I got my other stuff on.
Look like an alien.
Gently unfold and apply to face. Relax for 10 to 20 minutes. 10 to 20
See, I'm
minutes.
tired of you talking about me. Once somebody talk about you, then you gonna be in a whole different mood.
Whatever she just said. And it's Be My Honey. It look like you finna mess my face up. We got too much stuff on here. We ain't even got no face roller.
To roll your face.
The roller is smooth. Then. Okay. Oh Lord.
What are you saying? Y'all don't even look like a real face mask. They just look like they just put some stuff on it and then
This is a face mask.
Your face is technically already broken out.
Bro, shut up. You're black Jamaican.
Oh my God, this cold.
Let it sit for 10 minutes.
Maya,
I'm not letting this sit for 10 minutes.
what's wrong? I set a timer for 10 minutes.
I'm doing 5. I'm finna go paint. Come on. Paint.
Then it now.
This is right here.
Maya, what is wrong with your
We ain't gonna talk about it because I can't put mine on my lace. For
That don't
one.
even look like it's on right.
I ain't put mine on my lace and yeah. And I can't smooth mine out. So it don't look like this.
talking like that?
Hey, take a screenshot of her.
It look like your skin. It look like your skin is
Bro.
peeling. It look like your skin is peeling. Rah.
Let's go scare Jason.
Yeah.
Jace is in. Y'all. Yeah.
Leave my baby. Yeah, y'all.
He's scared.
Yeah, he's mostly scared of you. Cause yours.
He's scared.
What was y'all doing, bro?
Dude, how long did it been on, Trinity? Did you set the timer?
No.
Oh my
I
God.
set the timer for 10 minutes.
No, 5.
Set the timer for 5 minutes.
Man, the girl said she was gonna set the time, didn't even set the time.
Hey, right there.
Okay, we got 4 minutes left.
Dude.
This dude got me looking like a fool.
Oh, pop your back. Hey, don't let Joe see this.
50 more seconds. Let's do that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 thing. Alright, ready? Alright, let's go.
Come on.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Hold on, I can't make the beat and do it. I can't make the beat and do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8.
6, 7, 8.
Bro, hey, shoot.
7, 8.
We all off beat.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4,
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Face reveal.
Okay.
That still looks the same, but okay.
Our face is oily.
Ooh, make me want
It actually goes like
Maybe.
this. The Grinch.
Which one? This one?
What you always cared about. Now you can't go on.
Hey, feet finder, who want to suck my toes?
Ugh.
It smells.
Nobody.
It smells.
But we
just
need the
like
face
corn
mask.
chips.
My skin already clear. I really didn't need that. He really did
For
need it.
real, my skin really clear.
Boy, it's clear because you have the face mask on.
Oh, okay.
Trip out. I trip out.
Every day when I'm walking down the street, I trip out. Hey,
Okay, anyways, I will get back to y'all later.
daughter.
And I
We at the beach, y'all. Don't mind the sign that say no swimming.
Y'all, don't
Just
listen
look at
to
that.
Don't,
Come here.
do not listen to the sign that say no swimming because there's literally people out there.
Come on.
Look at that, he thought he whitey. Y'all, I'm finna go in the water. Who wrote beach? Julian. Picking up a seashell.
It was coming.
You gonna know.
I was scared.
But I'm finna show y'all the water. Look over there.
Finna go in there.
Don't go deep. JJ finna go. No, you go past the sign.
You go over there.
So it's saying no swimming.
On that way. Yeah. You finna run out there.
Okay, I'm finna take pictures now.
Quicksand right here.
I wrote my name.
Why? What the? Hey, why is moving? What? Look at this shit moving. Get your feet right there.
What's the free?
I'm scared. Why is moving?
Good. Let me work my feet off.
Huh?
Say hi.
Hi.
And we done got out the beach. They look homeless. Trinity done went in the water. My back sweaty.
Feet stinking.
Mid black.
Hey, her wig lifting.
Y'all, look at the souvenirs and stuff. Ooh, I want to can Trinity find her name. JJ.
What about this big bike? I need pinch.
They do peach.
Mini, $25.
Hey guys, so it's later in the day. We finna change into the trail ride stuff because we still finna go take pictures for my little brother's birthday, and I'm finna go get my nose pierced, or try to get my nose pierced. I'm not gonna get my belly pierced because I'm gonna wait on it because that's too much in one day. Hey, why you coming down the stairs like? Change it to my other outfit, and then I'm gonna get back to y'all when we getting ready to go get my nose pierced.
I'm ready.
I got the fit on for the. But yeah, I got the fit on for the thing. Mama need to hurry up. This is the fit. I want my suitcase in the background. I look like a okay. I'm gonna take pictures real quick and yeah, get back to y'all when we leave the house. We out here. Look at over there. They got limos outside their house and everything. They got a little thing. Look at this. Look at JCWC. Jace. Jace. You wanna go around back? My bad, little bro.
We'll go around the back.
Say hey, y'all.
Get them food.
Look at Joe. Say what up, y'all.
JJ, look, JJ.
We out here by the lake, finna go to take pictures with the horse. Y'all, look at the sunflowers. Look at the sunflowers.
You want me to go
Yeah,
pick
look
you
at
one?
these.
Want me to go get you one? Nah, I ain't that stupid.
We finna ride the horses they got there. Man, that's a long walk.
Hey, last time I rode that thing, it jumped up on 2 legs and more fast.
Oh, Lord. Okay. Anyways.
She talking about she ain't get the footage.
What the? What the?
How we gonna see? Jump down and do a flip.
Man, don't go over there.
Cause you fall.
Tell them who gonna get down there and say you. Cause it's not gonna be me. It's not gonna be me.
No, look at this.
Look at the lake.
What is that?
People up there hiking, ain't it?
It looks like a swimming pool.
But
It looks like a pool.
Why you look like Keith?
Jace, look at the water.
Jace, why you
Look
look
at the
like
water.
Keith?
Look, show me.
You like you got no neck.
closer.
Come look, he got his head down like
Jay.
a tambourine.
Jace.
Back up. Oh, back up. Back up. Back up. Back up.
Jace. Say howdy, Pop. Why you looking sideways?
Take the head. Back up. Back up. Back up.
Ooh, Daddy will hold him, please.
Back up.
Look, look, look.
Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up.
Ooh, look at the whole mouth.
Whoa.
Hey, I tell you, four of us.
Okay. JJ, why you doing it and he still taking pictures? Man, you done took about 20.
You ready to go now?
I see you, boy. I see you.
Okay.
Tell him you scoot back.
Huh?
Jace, what the?
Okay, y'all. I'm in Texas getting my nose pierced. Okay, it is 9:42. Don't ask why I'm getting it so late. We just gonna talk about it. But I'm gonna get it pierced. Mama, how do you feel about this experience?
Hey, what's up, y'all? We're gonna do a nose piercing today. Cool, cool. I'm gonna get everything sterilized. You got about 10 minutes, and then as soon as all that's done, I'll come get you. We'll get started.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
This the room we waiting in. Oop, there go Mama.
Howdy, partner.
Here goes some. Let's do one. No, I'm gonna show you how to booty picture. Okay, I'll talk to y'all when I get better. So, yeah. Now it's recording. Mama, what are you doing? It's awkward. Lord. I gonna be some jail. I like it.
Awesome. So now I'm gonna clean your nose up with a little bit of iodine, and we'll let that start drying up, okay? This is the iodine. Basically, have you ever seen any of those videos like where they do surgery where the skin's all like orange or yellow? This is what that is. Just make sure everything's one of the easiest piercings I've had. It makes your eye water up a little bit, but it's super duper quick.
I had these. Did.
Okay.
They hurt it. Well, they didn't hurt like in them, but they hurt it after.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna have you tilt your chin all the way up. Perfect. And then have you bring your head this way just a little bit. Awesome. Now, as we get this all set, you'll feel a little bit of pinching, a little bit of poking, but no surprises, okay? I just want you to breathe nice and still. Perfect. We look good here. Go ahead and give me a nice big deep breath. Slow exhale all the way out. Piercing's done. That's it. You did awesome. Little slide feeling here, and we'll get that sharp out. Makes that eye water up pretty much instantly, right? Slide, breathe, perfect. And now that tight feeling is going to go to a nice smooth feeling here. I have one more little slide. Breathe in and out. Doing okay? Press that top piece on here.
Oh, that didn't hurt. That didn't hurt at all. I didn't feel nothing. Yay, I got my nose here. I got my knee. Okay, Billy. Ooh, almost hit it. Thank you, Mommy. Ooh, the hats. My bad. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Trying to touch it.
Yeah, say that's my cake.
Birthday to you.
JJ.
You want some cake?
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Jace. Happy birthday to you. How old are you turning? 2. Good morning, y'all. It's the next morning and we finna get ready to go. So yeah, we're gonna go to the daycare, my little brother daycare again. We're gonna leave. So yeah.
Josh.
JC.
Now this is pitiful. You got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 girls walking in the daycare with you.
Like, Chase, who is this? Look it up. Look, open it up right here.
Yeah, she looking at it.
Look, open it up. That man. He trying to see what that man is. All right, big man. There you go. All right. See you later.
You know I get nasty.
Okay guys, it is July the 1st. It is 8:18. We arrived at home like around, I'd say 6:45ish, and we're back home now. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more, because I got more videos after this that's gonna drop. And I got my package for my trip that is next week, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna do an unpacking haul on my other video, so if y'all want to see what's in my package, wait till the other video to drop. And yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. And it's my senior year, so it's gonna be so much school content. And yeah, it is 8:19. I'm gonna end the video off here. I hope y'all like this video, and if y'all want more travel vlogs of me and my family, please let me know. So bye y'all, see y'all next time.